the equation x plus 4 over x equals 10 has a solution between 9 and 10. We want to find this solution correct to 2 decimal places using trial and improvement. Once again, let's organize our information in a table. The first column contains x, the next column x plus 4 divided by x, and finally a comment. We're given the solution is between 9 and 10, so let's check these values first. 9 plus 4 divided by 9 is 9.44 and so on, which is less than 10. 10 plus 4 over 10 is 10.4, which is more than 10. So let's try somewhere in between, like 9.5. 9.5 plus 4 divided by 9.5 gives us 9.92 and so on. This is lower than 10. Try 9.6. This gives us 10.01 and so on. This is higher than 10. So we know the answer is between 9.5 and 9.6. We want the answer to 2 decimal places, so we need to search between 9.5 and 9.6. Let's try 9.55. 9.55 plus 4 divided by 9.55 gives us 9.96 and so on, which is too low. So try 9.57. 9.57 plus 4 divided by 9.57 is 9.98 and so on, still below 10. Try 9.58. 9.58 plus 4 divided by 9.58 is 9.997 and so on, still too low. 9.59 plus 4 divided by 9.59 gives us 10.0071 and so on, which is above 10. We know the answer is between these two values, so either 9.58 or 9.59 is our answer. So if we consider a number line, we know the answer is between 9.58 and 9.59. We need to check halfway between these two values, which is 9.585. 9.585 plus 4 divided by 9.585 gives us 10.002 and so on. So this is too high, meaning the answer is in this region here, which is closer to 9.58. So to 2 decimal places, our answer is 9.58.